Micah's day, these high-ranking officials could turn a blind eye to the corruption because they were part of it, so to speak. Why call anything out? Kickbacks, bribes. And this is the day and age we're living in, the times we see. As I said last week, and I addressed this very briefly, if you think about it, we as a populace are living in the most dishonest, disingenuous time. I'm talking about society at large, and specifically those people who are supposed to lead our society. In the most disingenuous, confusing times for people. I think the desire is that we stay confused. A conspiracy. It says here, they all conspire together. I believe that. Rulers demand gifts, judges accept bribes, the powerful dictate what they desire. Is that not today's society as well? And say, well, nothing's changed since Micah's day. The only thing that's happened is the cover's been ripped off from today. So we're exposed to, we're seeing this full orbed in your face. And it says they all conspire together.
To this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord, worship and bow down before